In this video, I want to talk about how you can get promo codes on AliExpress. Now, there are a few different ways to do this. I suggest downloading the app since it's easier from there, and these are the different ways to do it. So global promo codes is usually around Christmas or Black Friday and these sorts of events. And you can usually find these just by Googling. Example can be AliExpress Black Friday promo code. Now the second one is a new user one. So if you're a new user and you download the app and log in, you will get a promo code. Now Coupon Center, you can find this on your phone. If you open up the app, there should be one called Coupon Center, and from in there you can find coupons. Now the last one is seller and store coupons, and usually these appear when you're on a product page. And once you open the product page, you can scroll down and sometimes there will be a coupon that you can find inside of the product page. So these are the different ways to do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.